everyone, this one tastes amazing. Simple recipe, Greek one, orange cake, phyllo and yogurt. Simple and easy. Let's start. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to make something with the leftovers from this Portokalopita recipe. I have the phyllo dough that is left over, so we're going to use it to create like a type of pie cake with the citrus flavors. Something that I saw and I know people in Greece making, like the bakers. When you have phyllo left over, just make like a type of sponge cake or something like that with the dough itself. We're going to make it with oranges, yeah, vanilla, yogurt, semolina a little bit, and lemon, yeah. So let's start with the base, yeah. After that, I'm going to organize everything in the tray and bake it. Simple and easy. All the ingredients and the method of cooking in the description below. Whenever you have time, just check it out. We will need the oranges, zest. We're going to take it off. We're going to use it also in the butter to give it a nice flavor. Lemon, we're going to use like a half, but zest we're going to use from a whole one. The oranges themselves, we're going to squeeze, yeah, all the juice from them. Milk, cream, yogurt, Greek one, very nice. I'm using here like 3.5% yogurt. You can use a little bit less, but probably you will need to add a little bit more semolina or a little bit more egg, like another extra one, because the fat here, this is also one of the things that is binding everything and is going to make it like a nice sponge cake. Sugar, half of it, half of the sugar is we're going to make like a type of syrup that we're going to drizzle on top after it's going to come out from the oven, and the other half we're going to go to the butter. Zest, 3 eggs, whole eggs, yeah, we're going to crack them. 1, 2, 3. Baking powder, allow it to rise a little bit. Also we're going to add vanilla extract, couple of dots, semolina, put like 3/4, 1/4 we're going to use for the form. We're going to degrease it with butter, put semolina so the cake is not going to stick to it too much, yeah, and after that when it's going to chill, it's going to detach easily. Pinch of salt. Salt is going to balance it a little bit, give it break the sweetness in the end of the bite. So to all of these we're going to add half of the juice that we have. Make sure to mix it, so the lemon juice and the orange juice are going to mix together well, yeah. Half of it, the other half is going to go into the syrup, and with a whisker mix it. We need to let it sit a little bit, yeah, for the semolina to a little bit puff and thicken also it, yeah. Let it activate, let's say it this way. So for the phyllo and the form, we're going to take a cube of butter, yeah, and degrease all the form very nice. Now semolina, I'm going to put a good sheet of phyllo, yeah, maybe even 2 on the bottom. So the butter, it's not actually going to touch the form and it's not going to have the ability to stick to it. So put the phyllo and press it inside the butter. Take a couple of pieces of orange. Put a couple of pieces of oranges, yeah, for the top, for caramelization, also for decoration. It's going to roast and it's going to be very nice. In my opinion, when you slicing it very thin and you baking it, you don't feel the bitterness of the peel. Yeah. So oil, vegetable, a little bit on top, give it a nice also for the caramelization, and touch of sugar, the one that we're going to use for the syrup. So just a little bit sugar on top, and it's going to go to the oven for about 40 minutes until it's going to firm on 170 degrees Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes until you're going to touch a little bit the pan and it's going to be firm. When you take it out, let it chill. Ooh, wow. See? Fluffy. Very fluffy, very nice, firm. I think it's ready and it's so beautiful. So let's take it out and let it sit for a couple of minutes to chill. Meantime, we can start work on the syrup. Yeah, the juice and the rest of the sugar. Put it on like 8, 9 out of 9. Yeah, we want to bring it to boil, reduce it very nice to have like a type of orange lemon sugar glaze. I'm going to pour it on top after it's going to chill just a bit. Yeah, it's already starting to fall a little bit. It's going to be perfect. Oh my god, the smell, amazing. I need to confess, sorry, didn't notice that the camera didn't work when I actually took the cake out of the form, yeah? So you will have to deal with it by yourself. But pretty much you let it chill, yeah, for 10-15 minutes, even like better, I gave it like 20 minutes, yeah? Let it chill for 20 minutes. Take another plate, it's like same size as the form, flip it, a little bit shake it, and it's detaching, and after that just flip it to another bigger plate, whether you're going to actually serve it, yeah? If you want, you can do the syrup after it chills, or before, it doesn't matter, you know, anyway, it's going to be soaked into it, it's like a sponge cake now. So, just time to serve. Let's cut into it and see what we're going to have here. To enjoy it even better, what I like to do, put a little bit fresh yogurt on top, yeah? You can put ice cream also, but if you put in something different, please let me know in the comments below. So, let's enjoy it. So, let me know what you think about this recipe in the comments below. Also, if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and see you next week. I'm Andre, this is ThinkOFood.